In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create your own presets. Although we're set up here in a huddle room, I can also see CORIOview in dynamic mode being very useful in small control rooms. So we've retained the ability to work in a preset mode as well. To do that, we just push the preset button, and then the bottom row of buttons becomes our preset choices. And as you fire along, you can see it fires different presets. Now, issue I've got here right now is this is a 6 input machine and the first 2 inputs aren't plugged in right now. So I want to make some of my own presets, and that is simple to do as well. So say, for example, I wanted to create a 3 input preset. Dead simple, hold the button 3 down, and then it takes me through a prompt. So I already know that Windows A and B aren't available. You can see the preset button is flashing, telling me I'm about to make my own preset. And all I do is choose the sources from the top row, and you can see it's prompting me behind to select sources from A to F. So I want C and these 2 as well. So you can see that's set up, and that's instantly been stored in the memory of the unit. So if I go to another preset and come back, you'll see it is stored there. I think that will be a really useful feature to be able to make your own presets, and it's dead simple to do. With an 8 input unit, I can have up to 8 presets loaded down here. So that is how we make our own presets in CORIOview. Thanks for watching now. Bye bye.